Hello, anime screamers. Welcome to my Death Battle predictions. These are my predictions of Rooster Teeth's Death Battle. And before I get on, and my YouTuber, I won't attack him, but the winning Megatron versus Frieza. This I will actually Lord Gavatron of YouTube. I am I watched here's the results of the Death Battle. And you guys you're not gonna like it. I was watching the Death Battle. The Rooster Teeth Death Battle. They were equally matched, but Frieza went Black Frieza. And Megatron. Frieza survived with just his head and left arm, like he did in Dragon Ball Z. But with Megatron. And well, Lord Gavatron YouTube. Megatron lost. I am not joking. The YouTube video is up. Look up Frieza versus Megatron and it's up. I am not joking. Megatron versus Frieza. And everybody would ask, wait, Frieza and Megatron? Frieza won against Megatron? How that happened? They said that Frieza is way tougher than Megatron. Honestly. So let's get into the video, and if you made this far, please like and subscribe. And Lord Gavatron YouTube, I am sorry about this. Honestly. I don't get why Megatron lost. Honestly, I was agreeing with you, but honestly, then I start to wonder, wait, what if, of course, Frieza black form is much stronger than Megatron's? If Japanese G1 Megatron, they're actually just going to use the Megatron from not only, they're only going to use Megatron from I think they were going to use the Megatron from, well, they just used the Megatron from the comic books and the movies and TV shows. They did not use the Japanese version. I'm being honest. So, but the rules of Death Battle, they can't be immortal. They have to die. Like Flash, Reverse Flash and Goku Black. I am not going to explain how that happened. You can watch the video yourself. Okay, let's get into the video, and please, Sato Gojo was actually, his cursed power is called, well, he actually had the power of infinity. His infinity domain actually do it, but he also had the power of limitless. Limitless actually make him use his power, but if he uses it too much, he can rupture a power. This is actually very powerful. Gojo is like a living can of whoop ass. But honestly, Makima is the control devil of Chainsawman, and Makima can, one person actually hit Makima and she was unfazed by it, and they got definitely sick and die. No kidding. Makima, but both of them are strong houses. Makima can actually kill people without even leaving, without controlling people, even controlling Denji. And Gojo, but I think Sato Gojo or Makima have I think I'm going to leave it up to you guys. It's going to be short, but I'm going to tag the user Lord Gavalex of YouTube. And Lord Gavalex, if you're on here, I am sorry. Frieza did win. Megatron lost. He got killed by Frieza. I will announce the next step out when it comes on October 23rd. It's Gojo versus Makima, and it appears on Monday at 11:30 or 12 p.m. Don't subscribe to me first. Go subscribe to Death Battle. Death Battle can tell you all their skills and status beforehand, and once they do, they also have, once you actually do subscribe to them, they actually do have and they get Death Battle. They go live on the Death Battle. And also Frieza. I thought Frieza would lose. But, boy, I was wrong. But honestly, my theory is, Gojo will go berserk and use his limitless, use Infinity Domain and try to take out Makima, and Makima will use, will he actually will survive because of his curse energy, and they will actually be face to face. But the one that will finish the job would be Gojo, or my theory is Gojo will actually kill Makima, or Makima will kill Gojo. Like the anime, Makima will kill Gojo by using this and speaking to somebody to tell their name. Or Gojo use Limitless to actually tear into Makima. Either way, both of them are toast. Honestly, it like the Kool-Aid Man. Honestly, it like, well, Gojo is a hero and Makima is a villain. I am not joking. She is more like a villain than a hero. Okay, have a good day. Bye.